Why should kids learn Python? An intriguing question, isn't it? It's more than just a coding language. It's a tool that can unlock a world of possibilities, a key to the future. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of Python for kids. Python, not just a snake, but a powerful programming language kids can master. So why is Python so important for kids? Let's delve right into it. First off, Python is incredibly easy to learn and use. Its syntax resembles the English language, making it less intimidating for beginners. It's like learning a new language that's surprisingly familiar, giving young learners an easy start in their coding journey. Secondly, Python is a versatile language. It's the go-to language in an array of fields, from web development to data science, even machine learning. This means that learning Python opens the door to a whole universe of possibilities, making it a valuable tool in our technology-driven world. Next, Python can significantly improve problem-solving skills. It encourages kids to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. This skill, my friends, is not only useful in coding, but in everyday life as well. Furthermore, Python can enhance creativity and logical thinking. It's like a canvas for the mind, allowing kids to create anything they can imagine while teaching them logical sequence and structure. And lastly, Python can open up numerous career opportunities in the future. In a world where technology is king, knowing Python can give your child a competitive edge. In essence, Python can be the launchpad to a world of opportunities for your child. So, we've seen the many benefits Python brings to the table for young learners. This versatile language fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. It's also highly practical, with applications spanning from web development to data science. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent starting point for kids venturing into the world of coding. Plus, it's a skill that can open up a myriad of future career opportunities. Python, a language not just for the present, but for the future. Empower your child with Python today.